Unbox the e-bike conversion kits. Comes with rear wheel with motor, rear battery, charger, motor cable with screws set. Second carton comes with brake sensor, pause, thumb throttle, brakes, controller, display. Here are 2 holders and a set of screws to connect. Rear rack battery to the rear bike fork. First, to install the holders into the rear rack battery, tighten the screws. Connect the rear rack battery to the rear wheel. Tighten the screws for both 2 sides. Connect the holder to the rear bike fork. Tighten the screws for both 2 sides. Installment steps has already finished. How to remove. Step 1. Loosen the screws for the 2 holders connections. Step 2. Use the Phillips screwdriver and to loosen the 2 side screws.